Hi family, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be making oats and banana smoothies. It's very healthy and it's delicious breakfast, you guys. So in this recipe we will need one banana, we will need 3 dates. We add 3 dates. We will need about 3 tablespoons of oats. We will need a cup of milk. Because I'm making only 1 cup of smoothies, I'm gonna use half banana because this banana is big. So if there are small bananas, you can use the whole banana, but this is large. As you guys can see, it's very big, so I won't be using all. I'm going to use just half. Okay, so we're going to start by soaking the oats. So in this bowl I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oats. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to add a cup of milk. Okay, so I have to add the dates as well. I'm going to open it because it has seeds, so I'm going to remove the seeds and add in there. Last one. Okay, so I'm going to cover and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. So it's after 5 minutes. Now I'm going to cut this banana in half. Like I said, I just need 1 cup, so the banana is too big. I can't use all. I'm gonna use half of it. Yeah, I'm gonna just peel and I'm going to cut in just small pieces. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to blend this and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back and our smoothie is done. Look how nice and creamy. Looks so yummy. Wow. So our smoothies is done, you guys. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find it helpful, make sure you like and share this drink. It's so good for breakfast, you guys. It's really yummy and also it's gonna keep you full for long. So yeah, hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do try, come back and let me know how did it come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.